Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video I am going to show you how to sign up to Fifth Third Bank online banking on PC. Fifth Third is regional bank offering banking services and wealth management. To sign up to Fifth Third Bank, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.53.com, then press on enter. With that, here you'll be taken to official website of Fifth Third Bank. Now here you can see login option on the top right section of the website. Click on login option. Then here you can see the option of first time user register. Now click on register option. Now to sign up, you need to have one existing account with which you'll be able to create online banking. So click on whether you have the account or not. After that, you'll be taken to another page. As you can see here, I have loan account, so I am going on with yes option. Now here you need to enter the account information according to the account that you have on Fifth Third Bank. Now here you need to first select the account type. I am going on with auto loan. Then you need to enter the account number on the given box. With that, you need to enter social security number on the given box. Then, if you have all your documents with you, then you can click on the given box. This will be required as a reference for your loan documents to allow verification questions. It is also for the security reason. With that, click on account verification. After this, your information will be checked. Then you will be taken to another process where you need to create your user ID and then you need to create your password according to the given criteria. After that, you need to verify your account. You'll get a code on your text message or your email. So once check your email address or your text message and then enter the code. With this, your verification process will be completed. After this, you need to go through all the terms and conditions of the Fifth Third Bank. With this, you need to click on agree option so that you can continue with the further process. After this, you'll be able to sign up to Fifth Third Bank online banking on PC. This is how we can sign up to Fifth Third Bank online banking on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.